Hello and welcome back to today's tutorial. I'm Yvette from Enchanted Cakes by Yvette, and we're going to load up our cookie here with some gorgeous buttercream in some shades of pinks and reds, as you can see here. If you need recipes for the sugar cookies or buttercream, you can find them on our website and we will pop the link below for you. Okay, so to start, we're using our red buttercream here, and we're just going to start by doing a nice swirl, a rosette swirl. So slightly off center, squeezing all the way around like a little circle. Okay, we'll do one more next to it. Perfect. Now we might do some squiggles first. Okay, so pointed end up the top, the wider end at the base there, which we'll place against the cookie. Okay, this is a 125 tip from Loyal. The previous one for the red one was a 1E tip. So just secure it to your cookie and just a back and forth motion going around our rosette. Okay, we might even do another row around. Okay, and then come around this side. Back and forth. We've got some lighter buttercream here, and we've got a smaller Loyal tip. Let's see, which is a 32. Okay, so just again squeeze and around, squeeze and around. Okay, and we'll also just pop a few star drops over here like that. Possibly another star drop here. We'll add in a few more squiggles over here. It's a very organic style design, open to interpretation. Tastes amazing. Then we've got some sprinkles here. Okay, this is from the Sprinkle Co. Beautiful vintage pink kind of colour. So various sizes here. We'll just pop some on. There we go. Delicious cookie, variety of buttercreams and tips. Perfect for your Valentine. Okay, thanks for joining us today. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you get notified of all our new tutorials coming your way. All right, see you next time.